Hi guys, welcome to a new video tutorial. So in today's video, we will take a look at how to implement the React tabs right here, as you can see. So we can just navigate to different tabs with the overview, symptoms, prevention, treatments. So all of these are related to the COVID-19, which we have been building so far. So this is coming from the COVID-19 Live Now. And here you can see the overview of how the disease is and also the symptoms. So this is, we have like more most common symptoms, less common, and serious symptoms. And we also how to look into how to basically get the illustration for free to use it on the website. And this is the prevention tab. We have the prevention, just wash your hand often with soap water. So again, this is coming from a website that I'm going to show you how to get it for free and how to implement onto React. So in this case, you can see right here, this is the SVG file. Even though when I try to zoom in, the quality still stay the same without losing any resolution. And this is the safe distance with this information and also the source down here as well. So when I click on this, it will just link to the original source. And the last one here is the treatments. So the treatment, we have this again, the information for this one, even though right now there's no specific medicines for curing the COVID-19. But again, this is the self-care. Should keep a healthy lifestyle at home. So I have the home image right here, and also with the like something video call, make social contact. So again, the other one, which is the stay active, which is something like you are doing some exercise or workout. And this is the food itself, like healthy diet. And also this one, again, the source, it's linked to the original one. And this also responsive as well. So when I try to inspect this, you will also see that this is responsive. So the image will just go to the next line if it's not having enough space. And when I try to change the screen size right here and just check out the tab right there, so you can see that the tab will just goes to the next line as expected. So this is responsive. And that's how we're going to look into and what we're going to build in this video tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so now let's just take a look at different types of tabs components. Why I decided to choose the one that I'm going to implement. So now let's have a look here. This is the React Bootstrap. You can see this is what it looks like. I can just tap like this, and this is different one. So this is the custom tab layout. That's this is from the Bootstrap. And now let's take a look at different one. This is from the Material UI from Google. So the tab right here, this is what, again, this is what it looks like. We can just click on this to navigate to different tab. Along with this one, this is the disable tab. I cannot tap on this. And we can also do like the custom icon as well right here. Okay, so this is the second one. Now let's just take a look at the other one. This is the React tab. So once I click on this link right here, it will just open this page, and then I navigate to this React tab. So now let's see an example on this one. So this is, again, this is what it looks like. We can just navigate to different tab, and there's like a underline underneath this, so to indicate that which one we are currently in. Also we can just, so this is just an example, we can also do with the vertical styling as well. And this is the disable one. I cannot click on this. So yep, this is another one. And finally, this is the one that I'm going to implement, which is called React tabs. You can see that it's quite popular. And when so now let's just take a look at this one first real quick. Alright, so now let's just when I click on this link right here, it's open up this page. So this page, it contains this example right here. and this is the one that I'm going to use to implement onto our React application. So I can just click on this to open two different tabs, and which is quite similar to this one right here, the Bootstrap one, but I feel like this is a little bit better, like comparing between the two styling. So we can also do the custom icon as well with different background. You can just add this, and again this is different styling. I can also click on this view source to see the source code of this particular example. So here we have tab, and this is the inside the body of that, whatever they show. And now let's just install this library onto our React right here. And also I also create like a new page as well. So this page called symptoms. Right here, when I click on that, there's nothing. It's just having a text says hi. So this is you can also see I create like this page. We have the symptoms, and right here inside the navigation, again I have that with the margin right of 40 pixels for both of this. And this is the page itself, which is saying hi. And now let's just go back. We will install this library, and also we'll do like a tab right here. So the question again is what am I going to basically use this tab with? What kind of information I'm going to show. So now let's just take a quick look into Google first before I install this library. Alright, so here in Google, when I try to search for the text like COVID-19 or coronavirus, then what I can see first, it's right here. You can see this is the custom from Google. So it show like the overview of the coronavirus, COVID-19, and these are the information that we can find, like to introduce what it is, the overview of that, and also how it spread. And these are some of the information. If we want to see more, then we can just click on this to open from the original source, which is the WHO. Now when I click on the symptom again, these are some of more information. I can click on this to open the original or the official website where the information coming from. And this is the prevention, also with the treatments. So I guess you already get an idea what I'm going to build. So basically I'm going to install that library, React tabs, and we will just do something similar to this one. We have the overview, symptoms, prevention, and also treatments. And I will just copy all the text right here. Let me just install this one right here real quick. Just click on this and install as usual. Cool, so the library has already been installed. Now what I need to do, I just go and see some example right here, basic example. What I need to do, I just need to copy this to import the library into the React right here. Just copy that, and then I'm going to use the example right here. So this is the basic one. What I need to do, I just need to copy everything just to see or show you the example that exactly show right here. So I'm going to remove this hi and save it. Alright, so now let's just take a look the website here. Alright, cool, very simple, easy to install and also to use as well. So here it is. This is exactly the same as the example right here. And the next step, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to create like this overview, symptoms, prevention, and treatments. And I just need to replace it right here. Also, I think right now, just to make it easy and simpler, just remove this. And then I'm going to remove the others as well. So I will just do the overview for now for this one. This will be overview, and then the information, I will just use this right here. Copy it right here. we have a few. So this is the paragraph tag. Also there's like a line underneath here. I'll use this one with the HR. So let's just take a look first. Right here there's a line, and also the text I'm going to do for the rest right here. Supposed to be underneath the line, how it's spread along with this one. Just do it. Close this p tag, and last one right here. Alright, here's the source. Now let me just open this in a new tab, and this is the link. I'm going to copy that. So you can also find a lot more information, the useful information regarding the virus right here. I'm going to close this. Now let's go back, and then here the reference, the source, I just replace it right here. And then the source here coming from who.int, and let's just take a look again. Alright, here we have this, and then the source right here we can't see nothing, because if you remember, we already do some customization into the CSS file, which is app.css with the link right here. So that's why we see it's as the white color. I'm going to customize a little bit, putting like style, color right here should be blue. Now let's just have a look again. So it's loading. Alright, here we can see when I click on this, it opening up the page, which is the page that we just saw. And I'll just close this again. So here it is. That's how we implement the right here. So this is the overview and the information coming from here. And as you can see, we also have everything right here as well. So one more thing right here, you can see that the margin is not something that we're going to look for. I'm going to add the margin to this around 20 pixels, I think. So style equal to the margins would be 20 pixel. Now let's just go back and see. So here we have the 20 pixel around this. So this look better right now. And the rest I'm going to create like a new tab for this other tabs right here. So again, the process is quite similar, just using this, create more tab here, and then underneath here, the same as this one, just copy and paste everything from the Google. Now let me just finish this one first, and see you guys once I finish this. Alright, so I have already implemented the others as well. So here you can see I have the symptoms tab right here, and with this information, the most common symptoms, like all of these, like fever, dry cough, also like tiredness, and this is the less common symptoms and serious symptoms right here. And the source again is will link to this particular information. So this is the different one, the different page. So here we have this, and right here, which is the third one, the symptoms. Also for the prevention, here are this information. So we have this, and also this is the treatment, how we right now, as you can see that it says there are no specific vaccines or the medicines for the COVID-19. It's still under the investigation. So but here we have something like this for the self-care. So just stay home into a separate room and stuff like this. And this is when you seek for the medical care, then what you need to do, remember to just call it in advance. Don't just go there straight away. And this is the prevention. Don't touch your eye or nose. I would say that this tutorial is quite simple, because we just need to install the tab, and then just copy everything from what you see right here and just put it right there. But the things, the main things about this tutorial is that you can get a lot more information, like useful information regarding this COVID-19. So right here we have all of the COVID-19 live states, so to get the information around the world. And also we have like the graph to see like from the start up until now how serious it is. And also this is the about page. So yep, I think it's very useful. And now the next step I'm going to show you is that I'll show you how to get the free illustration, and we put some illustration right here into different tabs right here. So it's better than just seeing just text. Now let's just open the website here. Alright, as you can see right here, this is the website. It's called Cove. It's just an open source illustration that we can just use to basically use it for free. And when you click on the browse, you can just use different type of images from here. So there's a lot, as you can see, and we can also search for that as well. So right here I can search for, say in this case, doctor. So when I search for the keyword, you can see we have something like this, like the medicines, doctors, something related to this keyword. And there's a lot more, like say food, or maybe social distance, right, stuff like that. So now for the first one in the application, let me just quickly check that to see what we're gonna put into. So here we have seek immediate medical attention if you have like serious symptoms. I'm going to search for the word doctor, like I just did earlier. So this is the doctor, and how we're going to download this, just click on that. And there are two types of downloads right here. There are two types of formats. So first one is the SVG for the projects, and the other one is the PNG. This is for the blog post or social media. So this is the image type, and this is the SVG. The difference is that SVG we can just zoom in or zoom out without losing any resolution. So this is the benefit of using this. I'm going to use this one, like download that. And here we get the SVG file. So right now inside this source folder, I create a new folder called img, just to put everything like the image type inside this folder. Let me just drag and then drop it inside this folder right here. So here it is inside that folder. I'm going to rename the file to, say, doctor. So here this is the file, and you can see all of this code right here. It generates that image right here. So this is the SVG file, and I'm going to import this file inside the page. So here we have the doctor inside this folder. I'm going to go back to the symptoms. And what I need to do, I need to import this. So there are two ways to try to render this SVG file to show it onto the React. There are two ways. So the first approach is that I can just use the normal one, which is just try to import that and use the img tag, like the image source, and try to show it. And the other way is using the React component. So I can just do something like React component as doctor coming from the source. So the image source is right here, and the file name, which is doctor.svg. So something like this, and then we can just use this right away, the doctor. Underneath here, I can just do this to import the doctor file. So the all right here should be capital letter. Now let's just take a look again here inside the symptom tab. When I scroll down, you can see that here this is the image. It's trying to render the SVG file, and you can see even though when I try to zoom in, the quality stay the same. And the next one, I'm going to try to use the old approach as well. So I just import, say, the doctor from this image directory coming from doctor.svg. So here, this is the one. I'm going to scroll down and look for that component that I just... Alright, so to import that, I just need to do this img with the source coming from the doctor, and then the styling right here, I just do the height of 350 for now. Alright, so since the name cannot be the same, I just put like an S for this one, and right here just put like the S to make it different. Now let's just see on the React website. Navigate to symptoms tab, and when I scroll down here, you can see that this is from the SVG. When I hover on that, you can also see like the doctor as well, like the text there. And this one, it's show nothing with using the old approach. So here, because right here we can just set this, and also the doctor here. So say if you want to change the name, you can just do, let me search for the text doctor. Here it is, the title. We can just change the title right here to whatever that you want. So once you change and save it, and you come back again, you will, when you hover on that, you will see that the text right here, the title for this SVG will change. So right now, I think I'm going to use the old approach for now. And I just want to show you like to render this, there are different ways to do that. So now let's just let me find like others illustrations, and then I'm going to show you or try to implement it inside this prevention tab, and also with this treatment as well. Here, as you can see, I have opened like multiple tabs inside this. Inside the Android, I search for the word doctors. As you can see, this is the one that we already use. Now the next one is we have like wash hand, and there's a lot more you can see right here. They're all free. And I search for distance. We have like social distance. We have like video call as well, remotely here. And home, something related to home, like say this one, at home, or relaxing at home here. So yep, there's a lot. Like this one, it's selfie, something similar to like a video call. And I think I'm going to use this one, the sentiment analysis. It looks something like doing like video call. And next one here, I search for workout. We have like this one, workout, meditation, healthy habit, and a lot more. So I think I might just use the first one to work out. And last one here, I search for food. So food, we have like breakfast. That would be something like a healthy diet, but it's not that healthy. I'm just gonna use this one, by the way. And then yep, should be good to go. I'm going to download all of this each one by one, and then just put it inside the COVID-19 Live now right here underneath this tab. Alright, see you guys once I'm back. Yep, I have now import or try to right here. So I try to download all the file. Right now we have seven SVG file with the call, video call, like social distance, doctor, and this is food, home, wash hand, and also like workout. So import it right there. And here for each one of that, I just import it. So this is the previous one, the doctor, with this site. and then here we have the clean hand and distance. Also here we have 4 more, like home, call, workout, and also food. So here, this is what it looks like right now. This is the one we have for symptoms, prevention. So here, clean your hands often with this image, and this is the social distance. And last but not least, the treatments. So we have 4. This is the home. So whatever. So basically, it's related to what it say right here. So home, healthy diet. I just put this food, and stay active. It's like workout, and also make social contact through the phone and internet. So here I just put like the video call. So that's what we have right now. So last step, I just want to try and see if this React tab and also with this image is responsive. Just do the same, right click, inspect. So here you can see it's actually responsive right there. I have the tab right here. So even when I try to stretch it a little bit, here you can see it's responsive with the image right there. Prevention. So if we have this treatment, it just go to the next line if the screen is small enough. So yep, that's how we try to install a new one using that. So just want to make sure, because there's like a little bit margin right there, but yep, it's fine right now. So that's how we install the React tab using the React tab library I just showed you a moment ago. It's quite popular, and the stylings look exactly something that I'm looking for. So I think it also helps you guys how to find different types of components and then try to decide which one that you prefer. And in this tutorial, I just use this React tab as a tutorial just to show you how to install that from scratch. And it's very simple, just all of this with the p tag, and then have the line right here. This is the source that it's linked to, the symptoms. Like I said, this is quite simple, but the information that you can see right here is quite valuable. And next step, I just need to change this title. So from COVID-19 live stage to COVID-19 live now, and also change the last modified date to today, which is the 16th of May. And I think that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Hope you actually enjoy this video and try to install this application on your own. You have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video.